As the sun sinks below the horizon, long shadows stretch across the rugged terrain. Day gives way to night, and the wilderness readies itself for its nocturnal symphony. The sky ignites with shades of orange and purple, a stunning masterpiece painted by the setting sun. This vibrant display marks the transition from day to night, a fleeting yet magnificent spectacle of nature's beauty. A chill descends upon the Alaskan wilderness, a stark reminder of its harsh and unforgiving nature. The temperature plummets swiftly, enveloping the landscape in a serene, icy stillness. This is the moment when the natural world stirs. As daylight fades, nocturnal creatures awaken from their daytime rest, ready to embark on their nightly endeavors. The wilderness pulses with a different rhythm, one that is both enigmatic and captivating. A solitary caribou grazes at the meadow's edge, its silhouette stark against the twilight sky. It moves slowly, methodically, oblivious to the lurking dangers in the encroaching darkness. Unaware of the threats hidden in the shadows, the caribou continues to graze. Predators, too, are awakening, their survival instincts sharpened by the harsh environment. Suddenly, the silence is broken. A rustle in the underbrush, a snap of a twig, and the tranquil scene is abruptly disrupted. A group of grizzly bears emerges from the tree line, their powerful forms moving with intent. These apex predators are on the hunt, driven by an insatiable hunger. They move with a coordinated precision that is both terrifying and awe-inspiring. Each bear knows its role, forming a formidable hunting unit. The caribou, caught off guard, makes a desperate dash for safety. Its heart pounds as it races across the meadow, every instinct focused on escape. But it is too late. The grizzlies are upon it, their massive paws pounding the earth with relentless force. The grizzlies attack with a ferocity that is both brutal and efficient. Their powerful jaws and sharp claws make quick work of their prey. This is not a scene from a horror movie. This is the raw, unfiltered reality of the wilderness, where survival is a constant struggle. This is the new reality of the North American wilderness. The behaviors of its inhabitants are changing, adapting to new challenges and pressures. Grizzly bears, once solitary creatures, are now hunting in packs. This shift in behavior is a response to the changing dynamics of their environment. This unprecedented behavior has shocked scientists and conservationists alike. It challenges long-held beliefs about these majestic animals and their social structures. It raises profound questions about the future of these apex predators. How will they adapt to the ever-changing landscape? What does this mean for the balance of the ecosystem? And it forces us to confront the delicate balance of nature in a rapidly changing world. The wilderness is a complex web of life, and every change reverberates through the entire system. As we witness these shifts, we are reminded of the fragility and resilience of the natural world. For centuries, grizzly bears have been revered as symbols of solitude. These majestic creatures have long been seen as the epitome of independence, wandering alone through the vast wilderness. Their raw power and formidable presence have made them icons of strength. The solitary nature of grizzly bears is deeply ingrained in our understanding of these magnificent creatures. They roam vast territories, driven by instinct and the relentless search for food. These territories can span hundreds of square miles, and within these expanses, grizzlies are typically alone. Encounters between grizzlies are rare and often fleeting. When they do meet, these encounters are usually marked by brief displays of dominance or avoidance. The grizzly's life is one of solitary survival, a constant quest for sustenance. This image of the solitary bear was shattered in 2019. Footage emerged from Yellowstone National Park that sent shockwaves through the scientific community. A group of 5 grizzly bears was filmed working together to bring down a bison. This unprecedented behavior challenged everything we thought we knew about these animals. The bears exhibited a level of coordination and strategic planning that had never been observed before. They moved with a purpose, each bear playing a role in the hunt, demonstrating a complex social structure. This footage was not an isolated incident. Similar observations have been reported across North America in recent years. From the Canadian Rockies to the Alaskan wilderness, grizzly bears are exhibiting pack-like behavior. This begs the question, why are these solitary creatures suddenly forming alliances? Scientists are now delving into the reasons behind this shift. Is it a response to changing environmental conditions, a new survival strategy, or perhaps an adaptation to human encroachment? The answers are still unfolding, But one thing is clear. The grizzly bear, long seen as a solitary giant, is revealing a new side of its nature. This discovery opens up new avenues of research and understanding, challenging our perceptions and deepening our appreciation for these incredible animals. The answer, like most things in nature, is complex. However, scientists believe that climate change is a major contributing factor. As temperatures rise and weather patterns become more unpredictable, food sources are becoming less reliable. Berries and nuts, staples of the grizzly bear diet, are less abundant. The salmon runs, a vital source of protein, are becoming increasingly unpredictable. Faced with dwindling resources, grizzly bears are being forced to adapt. Hunting in packs offers a significant advantage. It allows them to take down larger prey, such as elk and moose. These prey animals would be impossible for a solitary bear to kill. By working together, grizzlies can secure a larger meal. This ensures their survival in a changing world. The scientific community has greeted this new behavior with a mixture of fascination and concern. On the one hand, it is a testament to the adaptability of these incredible creatures. Grizzlies are demonstrating a remarkable ability to adjust their behavior in response to environmental pressures. This offers a glimmer of hope in the face of a changing climate. On the other hand, the rise of pack hunting raises concerns about potential conflicts with humans. Grizzly bears are already apex predators. A group of coordinated grizzlies could pose a significant threat to hikers, campers, and residents of rural communities. Understanding the motivations behind this behavioral shift is crucial for mitigating potential conflicts. This ensures the safety of both humans and bears. Section 5. A world rebalanced. The emergence of pack hunting among grizzly bears is not an isolated incident. This behavior, once thought to be rare, is becoming more common as these majestic creatures adapt to their changing environment. It is part of a larger trend of animal behavior changing in response to climate change. As temperatures rise and habitats shift, animals are forced to find new ways to survive. Across the globe, species are adapting their hunting patterns, migration routes, and social structures. Birds are flying further to find suitable nesting grounds, while marine life is moving to cooler waters. These changes have the potential to reshape ecosystems and redefine our understanding of the natural world. The interconnectedness of life means that a change in one species can have a cascading effect on others. The consequences of these changes are far-reaching. As prey animals decline, predators are forced to compete for dwindling resources, leading to increased tension and conflict. As prey animals decline, predators are forced to compete for dwindling resources. This scarcity can drive predators to venture into new territories, sometimes bringing them into closer contact with human populations. This can lead to shifts in predator-prey dynamics. Predators may become more aggressive, and prey animals may develop new strategies to evade capture. It can also result in increased competition between different predator species. This competition can alter the balance of power within ecosystems, sometimes leading to the decline of certain species. The ripple effects of these changes can be felt throughout the food chain. When one species adapts, others must follow suit or face extinction. It can have unpredictable and potentially catastrophic consequences for entire ecosystems. The delicate balance that has been maintained for millennia is now under threat, and the future of many species hangs in the balance. Section 6. Living alongside apex predators. The increasing presence of grizzly bears, particularly those hunting in packs, poses significant challenges for human populations living in or near bear habitats. Encounters are becoming more frequent. This necessitates a re-evaluation of safety protocols and wildlife management strategies. Education and awareness are paramount. People need to be informed about the changing behavior of grizzly bears. They need to know how to minimize the risk of encounters. This includes proper food storage, making noise while hiking, and carrying bear spray. Coexistence hinges on respecting the space and power of these apex predators. Section 7. A new age of conservation. The changing behavior of grizzly bears underscores the urgent need for conservation efforts. Protecting their remaining habitat is crucial. So is mitigating the impacts of climate change. This requires a global effort to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and promote sustainable practices. Research plays a vital role. Scientists need to continue to study grizzly bear behavior. They need to understand the factors driving these changes. This knowledge will be invaluable in developing effective conservation strategies. It will also help us manage human-wildlife interactions in a way that ensures the safety of both. Section 8. The unfolding narrative. The story of grizzly bears hunting in packs is still being written. It is a stark reminder that the natural world is not static. It is in a constant state of flux. As we grapple with the challenges of a changing climate, we must learn to adapt alongside the creatures with whom we share this planet. The future of grizzly bears, and indeed all wildlife, depends on our ability to understand and respond to these changes. By embracing a conservation-minded approach, we can strive to maintain the delicate balance of nature. We can ensure that future generations inherit a world where both humans and wildlife can thrive.